Hey guys, what's good? Just wanted to make a quick video of another unboxing, something that literally just came in today. Something I'm really excited about. All right, let's get right into it. Surprisingly good quality box, and you can see by the M logo and this little label right here, it's a Marathon, first Marathon I've ever had. So first thing that impressed me about this watch was how good like the box is. I'm not a box guy, as you know, but I mean, just really good quality. You know, look at this. It's got like some nice, you know, wood that's polished, good quality box. I've already taken the watch out, but you can see kind of some of the stuff in here. It's got an instruction manual, some straps, a bracelet. Like any good watch guy, I immediately took it off the bracelet and put it on a strap. So let's move that out of the way and let's take a look at the watch itself. And here it is. This is the Marathon JSAR, JSAR, which stands for Jumbo Search and Rescue. Big watch, thick watch. I mean, look how thick that like big booty bezel is. I mean, it looks awesome. 22 millimeter lug width. I think it's like 44, 45. I think it's actually, maybe it's like closer to 46 millimeters in diameter. This way, just a beast of a watch. So I took it off the bracelet and put it on a 22 millimeter iso frame style strap. This one's actually from the people at Borealis. Quartz movement, Swiss quartz movement, super accurate, you know, super high quality too. It hits the markers every time, looks awesome. You can see that it's got military time and 12-hour time. You know, this one is a little bit different than some of their other offerings. It doesn't have the tritium tubes. It actually has a superluminova compound. Check out the date right there at 4:30. Just look at the thickness of this case. Drilled lugs. Really good spring bars. That's a weird thing to say is really good, but spring bars are really good. They're single push spring bars, which is cool. Means it can go deeper into the case and it's just extremely secure. Anyway, you see the watch here. I love it. Deep black dial. Bezel, a little bit ratchety, a little bit, you know, like I said, ratchety, but the movement is good. There's very little play in it. It is an aluminum bezel. And anyway, that's enough babbling. Let's see it on the wrist. Okay, 1 second. Okay guys, and we're back. So let me show you this watch compared to say like a Panerai. And just look at the size of this like monster. I mean, it makes my Panerai 44 millimeter luminol look like a damn dress watch. So anyway, a huge watch. So let's see what it looks like on the wrist. Like I said, 22 millimeter lug width, so lots of strap options there. Feels really good on this isofrane style strap. There it is on the wrist. I mean, just looks cool. A big watch for sure, a very thick watch. Like, look how much thicker this thing is compared to that thin, manually wound Panerai watch. But, you know, actually, honestly, feels really good, you know? I mean, you can see that the lug-to-lug dimension there is, you know, pretty wide, really spans my wrist. But overall, it feels good. I was worried that the crown would dig into my hand, but honestly, it's lifted so far above the base of the case that that's really not a concern at all. Really easy to grip this bezel, so that really is I think a big reason why they went with this kind of like case style. So even if you have gloved hands, it's easy to use. I like this thing. For me, it's a keeper. You know, Marathon makes a lot of watches. Some are automatic, some are chronographs, and some are quartz, and they make them in all different sizes. This is the jumbo. There's a medium that's like I think a 40 millimeter watch, and then there's a small, which is like a 36 millimeter watch. I think, you know, if you're gonna get these kind of watches, just go big. That's what I would recommend. I mean, I would get a JSAR either in like automatic or quartz, and I think you're good to go. I like the quartz one specifically. I really like the hands on this. They have like those very easy to read, very kind of like, unique hands. You know exactly what kind of watch this is whenever you see that handset. If you look at the automatic one, even of this large one, the JSAR, the hand size is different and the dial is different. So I really think the quartz one is the one to get. You know I'm a big fan of quartz watches though. Anyway, listen, I love this watch. It feels good. It looks good. And I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised and impressed. I'm gonna do a comparison of this watch compared to some other big divers, you know, including like the Seiko quartz diver I have, the Tuna, and I think you'll be surprised at my thoughts. Anyway, just got this, really enjoy wearing it. Hope you enjoyed this video of kind of an uncommon watch from a Canadian brand. It's a Swiss-made watch, really nice. Anyway, sorry, I'm rambling. Take care. God bless. Talk to you soon.